counter, you and my old t-shirt.
Hi guys, so this is the week before resumption of back to school for the third term. When I say third term, I'm referring to academic section of 2025/2026. So yeah, this is the promotion term, and I just thought, to pull up my camera and share with you guys how Mama will be organizing one or two things for her kids that are going back to school. So yeah. So yeah, for you guys who know me too well, or who have been watching my videos for a while now, you know that once it is back to school, I must have these grains available at home. So you guys, this is the mixed grain. In here I have corn, I have millet, and I have guinea corn. I have yellow corn, which is maize. Okay, I'm going to soak this. See the red one. See the red one in the middle is the guinea corn, and this is the millet, which is the grey colored one. So this is 3 grains mixed together. I'll soak them to make pap out of them. I have a detailed video on how to process akamu from scratch, which is pap. Some persons call it Tom Brown. Some persons from the western part of Nigeria call it ogi. Well, the popular name is akamu. Okay, some persons even call it corn porridge, English name. So with that being said, I'm going to soak this and put it aside because it's not being processed immediately. This is going to take me like I'll be soaking it for like 3 days, and on the third day I'll wash it. Although I'll be washing it every day. I mean, if you watch the video I just talked about, you will see how I process it. So guys, with that being said, today is Friday. Wednesday of this week, I went to oil mill to buy fresh tomatoes. Then the Thursday, which was the next day, which is actually yesterday, I went to Rumokoro markets to buy a few things, like just to restock, food stuff, those food stuff that make, packing lunch for kids to school easy. I went to buy them yesterday, although that's a market vlog on its own that I shot. That video should be up before you guys will be seeing this one. This particular vlog that I'm starting today is, just to show you guys 1 or 2 things or 3 things that I'll be doing to, organize that would aid or that would be helpful for back to school. And one of it I have showed you guys. Now, of course, I'm going to be organizing my kids' uniform as well. All of those things you do for back to school. That reminds me, I have a TEMU order that came in yesterday. You guys, I was so happy this TEMU order came in. You guys, I was so happy that this TEMU order came in because when I made the order, I saw estimation of 13th to 28th, 13th of April or 28th of April. I was like, oh my goodness, by 28th, school has already, done 1 week. And most of the things I ordered here are back to school items. I mean, things that my kids will be using for school purpose. I was so happy. Hey guys, let me just unbox the item and show you guys. They're just things for, kids that are going to school. Okay, I decided to change my kids' lunch bag, yeah, and their water can because the previous one they were using got damaged. So yeah, this is one of the water can I got for my kids. My kids, they can drink water. Hey, those children, they drink water. Oh. So that's why I have to get this one for them because the last time I was literally buying extra water. Like I have to pack 2 plastic bottle water for them. 2 plastic, how do you call it? This ever water now or seaway here, and they buy 2. They put for their bag for them. So I just said, instead of waiting till September, that is beginning of new academic section, I just said, I beg, let me order this thing, this third term for my kids. No need waiting till September before I will buy them new thing, abi. When they start to use their own new thing from this third term, if they like, make them break this one. Because this one is breakable, it's not plastic. Oh my god, it's not plastic. Oh. I just hope they'll be careful with this. In a term, I don't know how many times I change water can in a term. So this is the water can I got for them. For my girls, for my older kids. This plate. I got this plate for their fruits. My kids have specific days for fruit days. They call it fruit days. Okay? But if you know me, if you know how I pack lunch for my kids to school, if you've seen any of those my food ideas that I pack for my kids to school as a lunch, any of those videos I have uploaded, you already know how I pack lunch, how I pack fruits for my kids. I don't have to wait until their fruit days. I literally pack fruit for them every blessed day. So this is going to serve for that purpose. So I got 3. Okay. So I got different colors for them, for their fruit storage can. And I also got spoon case. Oh yeah. I got this, should I call it plate now? I got this for their, let me keep this first. I got this for their sandwich. I got this for their sandwich. Okay, any day I have to pack sandwich for them, this would serve. Oh my god, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This is so cute. So yeah, I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay.
You guys, joke aside, this lunch bag is beautiful. I mean, the quality is top notch. I was really skeptical when, I put this bag in my TEMU cart because I haven't gotten lunch bag online for my kids before. Okay, this is my first time buying lunch bag online. I mean, if you've been watching my videos, especially my back to school, videos, by now you know that my kids have been using their old lunch bag for like 3 years now. Yeah, the last lunch bag I bought for them was in 2023. So excuse my excitement. Because this lunch bag, oh my god, it's beautiful. So these are the last items in this TEMU order. I got black socks for my beautiful newborn baby. Yeah, so we are still in the newborn stage because she's 3 months old now. And this is the only thing I got for myself. You guys, while I was trying to show you guys the comb, baby woke up and I had to go pick her up. Life of a mom with a newborn. So you guys, this is practically the only item I got for myself in this TEMU order. In fact, as it stands now, my baby girl, my first daughter, she now uses it to make her dolly's hair, so it's not my own anymore. See my life. So my darlings, to continue with everything I have planned to do for this back to school preparation, I cooked, of course, as a mama with grown-up kids and also a baby that is in crèche. That's my 2-year-old now, my son, who is 2 years old. As a mama with kids going to school, I just have to prep, stew down. Very important food that must be available in the house because it goes a long way for me, in packing different types of food in the course of the week as their lunch to school, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just showed you guys pineapple and hibiscus flower, which I also intend in making zobo drink with. Okay, so yeah, this is the chicken that I'll be using to cook our Nigerian chicken stew. My darlings, aside the stew, aside the zobo I showed you guys, I'll also be making chin chin. Yeah, I would also be making chin chin because I just love having things that we can nibble on in the house. Okay, and my kids, they love chin chin a whole lot that they sometimes take it to school as part of their snacks. Okay, so my darlings, please enjoy watching this vlog the way it comes, and do not forget to like the video, support this mama, and to my new viewers, please kindly subscribe and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. I think I've said and a lot. Mama is doing laundry. I mean, it's a weekend vlog, so yeah, I had to do laundry as well, wash the kids clothes and kids uniform.
The noise stays outside our door. Hearing is a lie. I don't need more. Just your sleepy smile, your hand in mine, the way the world falls back. Rewind, sun on your shoulders, head on my chest, breathing in slow like we got nothing left. Nothing but time here, nothing but this. Sun on your shoulders, soft, steady bliss. Kick off your shoes, leave the day at the door. You don't have to be strong here, not anymore. Lay your head on my chest, hear my heart keep time. You don't have to say much, I can read your quiet signs. Lean into me, let your whole world get lighter. You can fall asleep on my shoulder, baby. I'll be right here, holding you tighter. Lean into me, every worry, let it be. You don't have to fix a thing tonight. Just breathe and lean into me. We can talk if you want, or we can just stay still. I'll trace circles on your back till the thoughts get soft and spilled. If the tears wanna come, let them roll, let them free. You don't have to apologize for what you feel with me. I won't rush your healing, I won't chase your pain away. I'll just keep this space wide open, so you can come or you can stay. When your guard starts slowly falling, I'll be here, steady as can be. Every piece you're scared of showing, you can lay it down on me. Lean into me, the whole world get light. Let your whole world get light. You can fall asleep on my shoulder,
just as you guys have seen, I'm done cooking, and this is the yummy jollof rice I made. I mean, with the stew that I cooked, and oh my goodness, you guys, this jollof rice looks amazing, and the taste, or rather, the taste is lovely. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. So aside the stew, I also, prepped tomato down, for easy cooking whenever I have to whip up anything in jollof form. So I have more than enough fresh tomato paste mixture available in the freezer. So yeah, moving forward, I made zobo drink, just like I mentioned to you guys earlier on that I was going to be making zobo drink with pineapple, and I used cinnamon. I don't think I really showed everything that I added in this zobo drink though. Yeah, but I made a very healthy zobo drink for my babies and for myself, of course. And we also made ginger. It was fun. It was fun. I mean, it's always fun cooking with the kids. So, my darlings, thank you so much if you watched this video to this very point. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting this mama. Once again, do like the video before you go. And to my new viewers, please subscribe and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. And I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. For real, for real, for real. Thank you, my darlings. I hope to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to drop a comment. Tell me, I would like to read the comment. Just tell me what you love about this video. And please share with me the kind of videos you also want me to, make. And I mean, I'll look into it and see how, Mama is going to film that.